In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause email campaign in Omnisend. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop a scheduled or already started campaign so it doesn't keep sending, while keeping your work safe for later. Start by opening your browser and searching for Omnisend. In the results, click the official Omnisend website. This ensures you're on the right platform and avoids any lookalike pages. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button and click it. Sign in with your usual credentials and make sure you're in the correct store or workspace if you manage more than one. From the main dashboard, head to the Campaigns section. This is different from automations. Campaigns are one-off or scheduled sends, while automations are triggered flows. We're focusing on campaigns here because that's where you'll pause a send that's scheduled or already going out. In the campaigns list, find the specific campaign you want to pause. You're looking for one that shows a status of started or scheduled. Scheduled means it's set to send at a future time and hasn't begun yet. Started means the send has already kicked off and may be sending in batches. Take a moment to verify the name and the status so you're acting on the right one. Next, move your cursor to the far right of that campaign's row. You'll see an ellipsis icon, the 3 vertical dots that open additional options. Click that ellipsis. If you don't see it right away, try widening your browser window or scrolling horizontally. The action menu is always on the far right of the row. From the menu that appears, choose either Cancel or Restore to Drafts. Cancel is best when you want to immediately stop a scheduled send or halt any remaining sends in an in-progress campaign. Keep in mind, canceling won't retract emails that have already been delivered. It simply prevents any further sends. Restore to Drafts is ideal when you want to pull the campaign back for review or edits. It stops the schedule and places the campaign in your drafts, so you can adjust content, timing, or audience before deciding what to do next. After you select your option, watch for a quick confirmation or a status change. A canceled campaign should no longer show as scheduled or started, and a restored campaign will appear under drafts, ready for updates. That's all you need to pause an email campaign in Omnisend. Open Omnisend, log in, go to Campaigns, locate the correct started or scheduled campaign, open the ellipsis menu, and choose Cancel or Restore to Drafts. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your sends.